Why automate travel expense tracking?
Keeping track of travel expenses can be time-consuming and error-prone. Automating the process saves you time, reduces stress, and ensures that no receipts or transactions go unnoticed. With free apps, you can easily organize your travel spending, spot patterns in your habits, and stick to your budget more consistently.
Top free apps for expense tracking.
Several free apps are designed to automate expense tracking. Options like Mint, Expensify, and Wallet can link to your bank or credit card accounts, automatically pulling in transactions. These apps categorize expenses, sync across devices, and offer budgeting tools, making it easier to keep your finances in check while you travel.
Setting up a free expense tracker.
Getting started is simple. Download your chosen app from an official app store, then sign up and securely connect your relevant accounts. Most apps will automatically import and categorize your travel transactions. For cash purchases, just snap a photo of the receipt. Customize categories, set budget limits, and the app does the rest.
Making the most of automation features.
Explore advanced features for smarter travel budgeting. Many apps allow you to tag transactions as travel-related, generate real-time summaries, and even alert you to overspending. Some can export expense reports for reimbursement or record-keeping. Utilizing automation means staying on top of your travel budget with minimal effort.
Tips for accurate expense tracking.
Check your app regularly to review and correct categories as needed. Add details to cash expenses and split transactions if they cover multiple categories. Stay consistent with app updates for best performance. With just a few habits, free apps can turn expense tracking from a chore into a convenient, automatic part of your travel routine.